I wanted to give you a brief introduction to Pristine Condition. We're a company who specialises in manual lifting and handling. In fact, many people reported revolutionising it.
We rolled out the Pristine Condition manual handling program across all of our distribution centres in about 2012, and within 12 months we'd seen a 65% reduction in manual handling related injuries and absences and personal injury claims too.
In Region 1 distribution, manual handling incidents have reduced by 62% since the introduction. Claims, of which we had 23 claims, are now 0.
Pristine Condition are incredibly professional. They are really helpful. Nothing is too much trouble. They're incredibly flexible and they provide a really good and effective product.
After 2 years, we saw a 56% reduction in the number of manual handling incidents that we had. Now 5 years on, we're now at an 87% decrease, so it's absolutely fantastic.
What makes Pristine different? And from my perspective, virtually everything. The colleagues at Pristine, the approach to your program being absolutely unique.
We saw that the data was telling us that Pristine did have an impact on our occupational injuries.